Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Alchemist Crochet. Today I made this beautiful starburst pouch for my mobile, and it's very easy to make. Any beginner can make this. It's very easy, it's very colorful. You can use any color you want, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Let's get started with this beautiful floral crochet pouch. For this I use this acrylic yarn and 5.5 mm hook. Let's get started. First I'm going to make a chain of 5. Then you are going to do the slip stitch in a first chain to make a ring, and then I'm going to do the chain 3, and then I'm going to do a total of 11 double crochets in this ring. Chain 3 count as the double crochet, so it will make total of a 12 double stitch. For next round, which is we are going to make the puff stitch, I'm going to use a different color yarn, and I'm going to do a chain 3 and then pull through the same loop 2 times and then chain 1. We're going to repeat this in all those 12 stitches. Yarn over, pull through 3 times and chain 1. For next round, I'm going to use another new color. So I'm going to do chain 3 and 3 double crochets together in a same stitch, yarn over, pull through and chain 2. We're going to do in all of those 12 stitches, what we are going to do is 4 double crochet together, pull through all the loops and chain 2, and we're going to repeat in all those of 12 stitches. Come back after you complete this. Now our starburst flower is complete. So now we're going to make it into a granny square. For that I'm using a white yarn. And now what I'm going to do is chain 4 and make 2 treble crochet in the same stitch. And then 3 double crochet in the next stitch and 3 half double crochet in the next stitch, and then 3 double crochet in the next stitch, and then 3 treble crochet, and then we're going to make a chain 3 and then 3 treble crochet into the same stitch, and then we're going to repeat. Then it will make into a beautiful granny square. Now we will make double crochet in every stitch. Now at the corner we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets into the same stitch, and then the single double crochet in every stitch. Now our two starburst granny square crochet is ready. Now we are going to sew them together. Come back after you sew the 3 sides, and then our pouch is ready. Here our pouch is ready, and it's a bit of a small for a mobile size, so I'm going to make a double crochet in every stitch in a round to make it to the size of a mobile. So I'm going to do the double crochet in every stitch. For border we are going to make a chain 3, 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and then we're going to skip 2 chains, and in the third chain we're going to make again chain 3 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. We're going to repeat this in all the stitches in a way: chain 3, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and then skip 2 chains, and in the third chain again chain 3 and 2 double crochets. Now I'm going to add this lining inside. I'm going to make a chain for this pouch. So for chain, I'm going to make chain 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and then into the first stitch I'm going to make a single crochet and then turn the chain, and you will find a loop here, 2 loops, a stitch here. So you're going to now we're going to make a stitch here, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and I'm going to do a chain 1. Repeat this till end. When you turn it, you will find a chain here, pull through 2 loops and chain 1. Repeat this, find this chain here, pull through 2 loops and chain 1. I make it to the length of 95 centimeter. You can make it as long as you want or as short as you want. I made it to a 95 centimeter, which is a very good length for me. And sew both ends to the pouch, and our beautiful pouch is ready.